Right, we have two kinetic switches at the moment on my desk here. This one is a push dimming, and this one is double click to dim. There are two methodologies to dim the new dimmer receiver we have. Let's start with the push dimming. Simple press to turn on, single press to turn off. When we turn on, we can press and hold. You can see the light is dimmed up, and I release, it stops there. So I can press it again, you can dim it down, and the release, it stops there. So this is what we call push dimming, and this is another second methodology we use to dim is we double click. You can, oh no, sorry, too slow. Let me do it again. And it goes up and goes down. So if I like the brightness, I just simple press and it stops there. You only use one key here. This is one key here as well. So there are two type of dimming option like we're offering to our customer on Kinetic switch. I hope this can give you more information about our dimming technology we use by now. Thank you.